Hey guys, Nate Joseph and welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to look at how to escape a headlock. Now let's look at it from the part where you're faced with an attacker. Okay, so if my hands are up, okay, the dynamics of a sucker punch, go for a sucker punch, and a headlock, go for a headlock, is exactly the same. The only difference is how much he's going to commit inside. If my hands are up, I should be able to intercept that immediately, whether it's a whether it's a headlock or a sucker punch. Now let's say shit hit the fan, I missed it, he threw his punch, I came in, he went to a headlock. Okay, the first thing I want to do is lower my center of gravity to make sure he can't move me. The second thing is I want to make sure I grab his hand as well as the elbow, because what I want to make sure I don't allow him to start throwing punches. Okay? What I want to do as well is I want to tuck in my head as quickly as possible, that if I take any punches to the head, I'm not taking them to the top of the forehead. I want to make sure to protect the facial area, because this is where all the danger part is, okay? So if he's punching me on top of the forehead, it's not as bad as me getting punched flush in the face. But the idea is as soon as he does this, I want to do this and jam, lower my center of gravity, make sure he can't punch. I'll bring the hand around, and this is when I'll go into the face. As I go into the face, I'm going to drive my hip up and open this as quickly as possible. From there, I can strike the groin. I can buck with the knee and also drive him down to the ground as quickly as possible. I can also just slip right underneath. Now, I'm not going to do any of this bullshit where you put the guy in a lock, but if I just come here and I'm whack and I struck, boom, boom, and I came here, I will just come right over here and continue my striking, okay? But the important part is, one, make sure intercepting it. Two, if he puts it in the headlock, lower your center of gravity so he doesn't take it to the ground. Tuck in your head. Make sure you block this arm. Bring this around. And even if he's tall, I could go to the throat. I can go to the eyes. I can go whatever it is. Drive the hip up. Boom. Strike the groin. Come in with an elbow. Use your knee. Slip around. Now, the reality is when this shit happens, you gotta go in attack mode so much. I was showing you which strikes to go first or second, but there's no sequence. Whatever opening you get, just strike as quickly as possible, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you wanna learn more about common attacks, we have a great video. We'll put it in the description, right in the bottom, common attacks. If you have any more questions, go visit our website, codereddefense.com. Stay safe and stand strong.